What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today I have something very interesting for you. So if you have been following my channel for a while, you have been seeing a lot of the wonderful tutorials I do about different animations, different beautiful web design elements. So I'm going to show you a very beautiful website where I find a lot of my shortcodes on there, and so you can always check it out if you're looking for something very interesting to add to your website. And so it's called uiverse.io. And as you can see, it has a lot of these elements on there. And right now we are on the loaders section, and you can see all the beautiful loader animations which are present on here. You can make use of any of these, and if you want to see the full code of everything that you see on here, you can easily click on any of them, get code, and it's going to load the code of the element. So they are just simply some HTML codes and some CSS code. That's all there is to it. Probably some JavaScript as well if the element gets complicated. But what I appreciate mostly about this site is that it really keeps things very short and simple and straight to the point. The design is very simple and very minimalistic, and it has a lot of elements, and it gets updated also on a regular basis. So if you are enjoying all the codes I've been posting, and if you're looking for some very unique elements for your different projects and for your different websites, I highly recommend you check out this website. And so there are many elements you're going to find here. First off, you have all these loaders. You can see all the loader animations. You can put each and every one of them on your website before it loads. You can be showing some beautiful images on there to your users. So you also have a section which has some buttons, some very unique buttons if you ask me, which have some animations as well. So as you can see, you have this very beautiful dark button. When you hover over it, you have some beautiful gradient color. You have this simple white button, and as well some animation when you hover over them. So there are tons and tons of buttons on here, and you can really make your website unique with each and every one of them. So you move on to other elements like checkboxes. As you can boxes over here, you have some wonderful checkboxes you can use to select different options, for your user to select different options when they get on your website. So you can see all of them are very unique and very beautiful. And what's even great about this website, it's open source. You can use everything here without any copyright. So as you can see, you have equally some toggle switches. If you click on it, it's going to toggle, and so on and so forth. You see some beautiful colors. You have a big red button with some animation and some very cool buttons, as you can see here. I really enjoy the website because it has very unique elements and very beautiful elements. These are not all the elements here. You can see, you can go to the next page and see even more of those. I don't know how far it goes, but there are a whole bunch of elements on there. So I usually get a lot of these elements, and I show how to code them very easily on multiple videos I've already uploaded on my channel. So you equally have some beautiful and amazing cards on here. Check out this glass effect, check out this multicolor card, and check out this simple card as well. You see this? So they are very unique elements, and I really enjoy being on this website and exploring all of the options they have on here. So you can really get all this code, customize it to your liking, and really make something unique out of all of this. You equally have some inputs. As you can see, don't just go with the basic input, add some life to it, add some styles to it. You equally have some radio buttons, and you can directly see already how they work in here. You don't need to open it fully to see how they work. Just by clicking on the image, you get already the animation and how it works. So as you can see, it's very beautiful and an amazing inputs. So every element is very unique and very customizable. So on the last things, we have some forms as well. So you have some forms. You see how maybe a login page, maybe a subscribe page, maybe a newsletter, sign up, and so on and so forth. So you can just make use of this element easily and integrate them directly into your website very easily and very quickly. So it's a wonderful website. You can create an account there and save your favorites and go back to them whenever you have to use them. So I really enjoy this website. I definitely recommend, if you're a web developer, you should check it out and make good use of this. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.